All right, y'all. I want to come here. All right, y'all. So I want to come on here to do an unboxing with you guys. And I'm unboxing Verano Hill handbags. So this is the brand. This is my first time ordering from them, so I'm hoping that this is good quality because my birthday is coming up and I ordered this bag to go with my dress. So hopefully I like it. So of course you get this nice royal blue bag, which I think is really cute. So this is a bucket bag that I thought was just really cute. I don't have nothing to go with it. I have nothing to go with this at all, but I thought it was so cute online. And I can confirm it is beautiful in person. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking cute. And I was literally going back and forth about ordering this bag. And I was like, should I get it? Should I not? Should I get it? But it was Black Friday. So I was like, you know what? It's on sale. I might as well just go ahead and get it. But y'all, look at this. This is so stinking cute. And this is great quality too. Like, it's heavy. The chains are heavy. The handle is heavy. Like, it's not like the cheap stuff. The leather is nice. Bro, this is so cute. I ain't gonna lie, this exceeds my expectations. And then this is the chain, so you can like wear it as a crossbody, or you can just hold it like this. Bro, I'm gonna have to put a fit together for this. This is too cute. So this is the inside. Like I said, it's just a bucket bag. And I would give this 1,000 out of 10. I love this bag. This is probably gonna be most worn. I'm gonna find something to go with this. But now on to what I ordered for my birthday to go with my birthday dress. So I'm just gonna set this aside, and what I ordered for my birthday is in a box. So again, they have this Verano Hill dust bag for the purse. And y'all, before I even take it out the bag, like, it's heavy. Like, this is not cheap. So Verano Hill, okay. I am like super excited about that because I was not sure. Y'all, so this is gonna go with my birthday dress. This is so freaking cute, and like I said, this is good quality, y'all. They are not cheaply made at all. This is quality. Verano Hill, you got a new customer. So this is just the inside. Oh, it comes with extra rhinestones, so I guess I can just like super glue it back. Oh no, it comes with glue. Okay. So it has a chain, so you can wear it as a crossbody if you don't want to hold it. But it comes with its own glue. So if I have to glue anything back, if a stone falls off, I can just glue it back. Oh, I am impressed. Y'all. Let me tell you. Verano Hill, you got a new customer. And they have so many different options. They have something for everybody for sure. And I'm for sure gonna go back on this site right after this video because I'm gonna have a purse for every outfit. And they really are not expensive. Well, it depends on what you consider expensive, but they're really not all that expensive. Maybe a couple hundred depending on what you want. Black Friday, I got this both on sale, so so far so good. I give this company a 1,000 out of 10 because, like I said, I am a person who likes quality. I don't like no cheaply made stuff. Like, give me the good stuff, please. Luxury on the budget, okay? So that is it. That's the only two things I ordered from this company. Like I said, I'm gonna go back on the website and order some more stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Please like, comment, subscribe, give me a follow, and I will see you next time. Okay.